So right here, as you see this is a tea, right? It is a tea made from this plant food expert and this Happy Frog mixed together. Other than that, I'm using Blue Powder Miracle Grow, Flora Micro, and Granny's Molasses. But we skipped on that. I switched over, trying out this tea mixed with these two fertilizers. I mixed both of them in some water, stirred it. Now I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and I'm taking it from here, pouring this into this and mixing it with regular water, a half and half ratio for the next 2 weeks. Half and half ratio of them two fertilizers mixed in there with regular water. This is the AK Auto. It's been in flower. I don't know what week we're on. I'm really not keeping track of anything, but it's under one 600 watt light. I have another here, but it's under one 600 watt light. This is AK Auto in a 3-gallon pot. I just gave it some new food. Other than that, I've been feeding it Miracle Grow, Flora Micro, and molasses every week. Other than that, I'll wait 3 days and water it in between regular waters. I'll wait for 1 whole week, and then I'll feed it at one end of 1 week, and then regular water, about 2 bottles of water. So about 30 ounces of water, regular, every other day. And then 1 week Flora Micro molasses. But since I've been doing the molasses thing, I'm going to flush it at least 3.5 weeks before harvest. We're going to flush, and flush. Because with that Granny's molasses, after harvest, you can still smell the molasses smell coming from it, and I don't like that. So I'm going to flush, but I switched over to this all natural on this grow. If you're following along, you know I do hydroponics, and I only use Flora Micro, Blue Powder Miracle Grow, and molasses. Only 3 ingredients I use on all my grows. Gives me rock hard dense buds and works in hydroponics, just those 3 ingredients, and also works good in soil. But I haven't done anything to this plant other than put it in the dirt, put it in the soil. And this is reused purpose soil, which is just cocoa fiber with vermiculite. And this has been through 4 or 5 different grows. 3-gallon pot. I haven't done nothing but feed this and water it at the end of every week. The exact same ingredients. Tonight I just fed it. We're flipping over 2 or 3 weeks and throw in a little bit of molasses. Just see what happens. But we're going to ride this out for the next 2 weeks on the tea and see what we get. But this is the AK Auto. It's in flower now. No fan or nothing. And she's getting top heavy right now. She's top heavy. And that's all she's getting. This molasses AK Auto from Growers Choice Seeds. That molasses. And like I said, just shaking it. I can smell it from here. She's very fragrant. But other than that, we'll just regularly water it. So I just watered it with probably about a half a gallon of water mixed with about 30 ounces of that tea. And I'll do the same thing in the next 4 days. So 4 days from now, I'll add some tea. But in the meantime, I'll just get just a regular 16-ounce bottle of water, and we'll just pour a half a bottle of water in here in the meantime every other day. just keep a little bit of hydration going. So that's about it. But that's it. AK Auto. It smells freaking amazing from here, just by shaking it. And she's already top heavy. That's already top heavy. Solid bud. Smells great. But I don't smoke marijuana. I don't do anything. I just grow it just for fun and breed seeds just for fun. Like me, I have 30 different strains of weed that I personally made myself. Everything from Skunk Auto all the way to Blueberry Kush times White Widow. Alien Lights OG, Banji Haze, Strawberry Sequoia. All kinds of stuff. Fruity Pebbles. I got all kinds of different breeds of plants. But this is AK Auto. I might go ahead and put it under another light, but I'm gonna ride it out for the next week and see what happens. Vermiculite, cocoa fiber. Other than that, blue powder, Miracle Grow, Flora Micro, Granny's molasses every other week. We switched over. The next 2 weeks we're doing tea of the ingredients I showed you. And again, this is a 600 watt Sunlight CX home grow light. These have been the best lights that I've personally owned. I bought those from Amazon. That's been hard to find these lights anywhere else, and that's the brand. It's called CX Home Lights. As you see, 600 watt Sunlight. But yeah, that's it. This thing's been on 24 hours of light since I've put it in this pot. It's 24 hours a day of light non-stop since I put it in the pot. It's been on 24 hours of daylight. This is an Autoflower AK. It's been on 24 hours of daylight since I've put it in that pot. And that's it. Bing bong. Stay tuned. We'll see how it turns out next couple of weeks. And then we'll see what the harvest plant looks like on drying. And hopefully we'll have this wrapped up by the time I'm moving out. Because you know I'm moving out.